Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. We are looking at the NASDAQ futures on a daily time frame. Now, I had high hopes that once the FOMC announcement happened, the market would just pick a direction and go. As you can see, that did not happen. We're still stuck in this little bit of chop that we've had over the last number of days and some pretty tiny ranges. Even today, we still didn't hit that average or true range. So we're just kind of like working our way slowly up there. What happened was we came down, we hit that turning line, bounced up off of there. So yeah, we're ending up positive for the day, but like we couldn't get any higher than this point of resistance here. So hopefully in the next few days, as we potentially move into a Santa Claus rally, this thing can get it going and just climb. That would be amazing. So let's drop down real quickly and look at the actual FOMC trade. The announcement happened here. So it was an up one, pretty clear. I like that. Down two, also pretty clear, and then up three. Okay, amazing. That was a really easy one. Now, it didn't have a ton of follow through, so like you didn't get very much, but that would have been an easy long up in here. I took that one, so that was great. Then we kind of just got into this little chop, a little bit of a pullback as we waited for the press conference. Then that happened here at 12:30 my time. So again, initial move up, down two. Now, this is where it gets a little sketch. So you could have gone long here thinking, okay, cool, this is move three, and this would be up three. Let's go. And then it was like, yeah, we're going way down even to here, basically where we started back in this area. So once this whole thing happened, we got way down here, then yes, like if you counted all of this as down two, great. I wouldn't have done that though. I definitely would have counted this as like an up and thought that that was move three heading higher. Whereas this one was the one that actually went. That being said, I actually think this one was harder. One, because of this kind of fake out. And on top of that, this mess just got super wicky up in here. And for those of you that have been around the Daily Rage for a while, you know that that is not my best way to trade. I like when it moves and when it goes and when it's clear. It was none of those things in this little section. So hopefully you did well on this trade, especially if you got in it before here, because as you can see, it just turned into a choppy disaster up on this part. But as I mentioned, hopefully in the coming days, we'll have a little more push one direction or the other. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.